Hi guys, welcome to my adventure channel. So for today's video, I'm going to Oslo. Yes, I paid for 140 pesos to get this fast crab here. And also from Dumaguete going here, when you get a private trike, it costs for 200 pesos. Yeah.
15 to 20 minutes.
You hear that? It's 15 to 20 minutes. I forgot already, guys. It's been, I don't know, like it's been 2 years or... Yeah, I think so. Pila ang hours gikan out from Biluan to Oslo?
Bus? Mga 30 to 40 minutes. Ada ka ng dool naman naman.
Dool na day?
30 to 40 minutes. Ano na? 20 to 30 to. Hi, vlog.
Welcome to Waterfall, guys. Unsa?
Ano siya na?
Wait, let me ask them. Yeah, you know what? You need to be practical. Get the cheaper one. Yeah, I know. They're trying, but I know. But it's good to get the cheaper one. See, it's 40 pesos. Get the bus then. Nagaling ko dire. Ay, wala. Ay, tapa na po ito.
Oo, nako sa likod sa driver.
You know, the tricycle, it's so expensive. It's 300 pesos, and this one, it's only 40 pesos. So better to get this one, guys.
Wala gagawas.
Hey guys, I just got here. Aloha, will start watching. Yeah, I'm here. I'm asking them if they have a room. I will check the price, how much it cost, you know. So may pwede ko mo check sa room. Let's take a look, guys. Come on, let's go. It's cool here because there's, you know, it's shady.
Oh, there's a
It's like jungle.
There. Yeah,
Oh.
many trees.
Yeah. May gani kay dili ra mo kuan pulibok.
Dili mo kay mingaw mo.
Close
Programa sa
so.
microoms record.
Pila ra ka room ninyo? Ha?
Victoria nya among dako diha among garden may dako.
Ah, so they have 7 rooms here. Welcome to Aloha. We'll see this one. Included the breakfast?
Oh, kana 1.5 ma'am. Oh, free ka.
Yeah, free breakfast.
Para ko ri kang yawi dong. Ika na may.
I will explore later, guys. Unsa nag-will shark day sila dire na kuan dire?
Das tungod.
Tama ba?
Tanawa dia.
Di ba abi ko buntag pero na.
Bunta ganto na siya alas 11 or alas.
Mas may dagig buntag kay di ka init.
Oh, no, init kayo.
I'll just do it tomorrow, guys. It's so hot today. I'm gonna have sunburn. Okay.
Ana siya shower.
So it has AC. I'm alone here, and they have a hot shower here. Not a hot shower. Okay, that's good.
Magsiyong ka video.
Oh, di ba? I'm alone. Na may wifi dire?
Sa gawas anta mo.
Oh, they have wifi here. Only outside. Wala dire?
Wala dire.
Sulod?
Roadside hinay jud mo.
So ato ko sa bye-bye.
Sa garden, oh.
Ah,
Sa
okay.
information.
What do you think, guys? I think this is okay. I decided to stay in this resort because, you know, it has AC and it also included the breakfast. Yeah. And I'm close here. They also do a whale shark watching here. You see? It's 500 pesos. But I'm not gonna do it today because it's really hot. Maybe I will explore waterfalls later. I'll just rest for a while. It's really nice here, guys. It's cool. Wala? It's okay. Yeah. You see, it's quiet. And you can just stay here. Yeah, it's big. Oh my god, there's dog. Dog is barking. Oh, I didn't know that they have whale shark watching here on this side. I don't know what they have here.
Ma'am.
Wala na.
Wala
What's that? Uy, wala tong.
Ini kakadlawon.
Kadlawon? Pero kayo ah.
Ang among mga sudan, ma'am. Karut-hurot dayon.
Urot dayon?
Ikaw na, ma'am.
Magluto rin mo sa'yo. Sige.
Magluto na yung...
Agoy, hubog man eh. Klaro. Yeah, the guy said early in the morning they cook, you know, and then yeah, they sold out very quick. So rental motorbike here, it costs 600 pesos, guys. Look, guys, this is corn rice. It's been a while. Don't eat this. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, I don't get diarrhea. Just kidding. No, I'll be fine with this. Okay. Only pay 140 pesos. You see that side? There's also carinderia there, and also you can order different shake, fruits. There's also ATM machine there. So if you run out of money, no problem. Yeah. And
25.
oh, it's so cheap, guys. Yeah. Pila yung scuba diving ako? 2.5? Oh. Normally, unsay kuha ninyo? Kanang morning?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. And then 11:30. Okay, so they start from 6 and then 11:30. I don't know how to do this the scuba diving, guys. I'm just curious. But yeah, if you want, you can, you know, rent that one. There's many souvenirs here. You see, much better to do it early in the morning, the whale shark watching. You can also rent a GoPro here, because the last time when we were here, yeah, I remember, I think you have to pay 500 pesos for the GoPro, but now I have my GoPro, so I don't need to rent that. Hello guys, I'm here at Agin Waterfalls. So, you know what, this is really adventurous. Actually, I supposed to go to the other one, the Binalayan Falls, but oh, this one is adventurous. I really like this one. Hey, Hot Mama is going to explore now, guys. Hey, the cost here it's 350 pesos. Good afternoon. Okay, orientation. Yes, first time na ako. But before kanina ring ako dito, but first time na ako dito. Yay.
Jumping.
Oh, I like to jump.
This is level 5. This is our big rock formation, and
Oh,
has a wide area.
that's really nice, guys. I'll show you later.
Ma'am, diri lang dapita ha. Kanang naibata nga naka-yellow. Kanang naka-yellow. Yes. Kapaalang ang kuanam mga bangag.
This is really adventurous. Oh my goodness. I made it.
Last time we called it romantic.
What is it?
Romantic level.
I'm romantic.
Yeah.
Muli ka itong na-picture na ako kayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, romantic falls. Oh, I don't have partner here. Hot Mama alone.
Yes, ma'am.
So far, so good. I love this adventure. You know, with this two tour guide with Mark and Ormed. Highly recommend, guys. You should come and visit here. But take note, you have to be fit. You have to be like, you know, because this is adventurous. You know, so making sure that you have strong legs, and it's really, really, you know, dangerous for you if you're not used to this kind of adventure. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.